go ahead and measure around your neckline from the beginning round to the end of your neckline. Mine is 18 inches right there. And once that is done, you go ahead and fold your fabric into 4, just like you see me doing. Fold it into 4, and then you're going to divide your neckline by 2. So 18 divided by 2, what I have there is 9 inches, and I'm going to go ahead and place 9.5 inches across my collar right there. So for my collar height, I want it to be 4 inches high altogether. This is a cut together collar. So I'll come in by 1.5 inch from the side, and then I'll mark 8 inches right there for now. And then for my collar stand, I'll mark 1.5 inches across my collar. 1.5 inches is for my collar stand, and then I've come in by 1.5 inches. I'm just going to go ahead and blend the edge right there to give it that curve that a collar stand has. So around that 1.5 inches, I marked right there, and then I connected it to the edge of the collar by the side. So the edge of the collar right there is where I connected it to meet. I'm just trying to blend this curve to meet it right there. So at the center of my collar right there, I went in by 1/4 inch, that's 0.25 inch, and then I just connected it up front a bit. And once that is done, I went ahead to cut it out like so. So just follow what I'm doing and cut it likewise. So I'm just trying to follow my collar stand slowly. I'll just cut it to meet that point right there, and then I'll go ahead and cut it out. So you're done cutting your collar. What you need to do next is to open up your collar like so, and then this is what you have. It's a cut together collar. So I've gone ahead to iron paper gum on it, and then I folded it inwards by 0.25, that's 1/4 inch, and then I went ahead to sew across all the parts like so. I just sew a little bit just round the collar like so. So I'm just trying to trim off the excess that I have on all sides. So once that is done, I had to turn my collar inside out. So just go ahead and turn your collar inside out. I'm just trying to bring it out on all sides that I have sewn. You need your scissors to be able to push the edges out so it can come out clearly. So once that is done, I'll go ahead and give it a good press. I'll iron it very well, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm done ironing, and this is what my collar looks like. So the next thing to do is to pick up your collar and then pick up your shirt, and then you're going to attach your collar to your shirt. So pick up your shirt and make sure that the inner of your shirt, that the wrong side, is facing up, and then go ahead and place your collar around it. Once you're done, go ahead and stitch it. So I've done sewing it around. You can see the wrong side of my shirt is facing up, and then I've gone ahead to sew right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and tuck this in like so. So when I tuck it in like so, I'm going to top stitch on top of it. This is a very simple method of attaching your collar, and it comes out very neat. So I'm going ahead to top stitch it. This is what I have, and I've also gone ahead to iron it, and it's so neat and fine. So like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel so YouTube can recommend my videos to others. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.